Okay, this is my first time with my kneeling seat. So, first impressions, I am literally still right here at the put in, but it feels a little more tippy. That makes sense because I'm up a couple of inches, so center of gravity is a little higher. But yeah, we'll give it a try and see how it goes. So the first impression, as I said, which is really second impression, is pretty tippy, but not bad. I'm surprised how comfortable it is to sit on, because I thought with that angle it would be really awkward, but it is not. So yeah, we'll keep giving it a try. Go. So I haven't tried the kneeling position yet. I think I'll wait until I get to a shallower spot, just in case I go over. It'd be a lot easier to dump the water out and get back in the canoe. Okay, I think it's sufficiently shallow here for me to try kneeling. So just slide that knee back under there. I'm kneeling on one knee. This one first. It looks so much easier when Jim Bears did it. Oh crap, that hurts my knees. Okay, I can try kneeling this way. Can I start kneeling? Okay, well. Okay, so I am officially kneeling. My knees are killing me already because they're at quite an angle. My back is better though. I think this would be way better with pads for sure. And my back is at a better angle, and I like the angle, the stability that it brings. That is very nice. I wonder how long until my feet go numb. Not bad though. They're not numb yet, and it's been like a minute. So I've been paddling around on my knees here for a little bit. It's not terrible. It's not great. I'd really like some cushion under my kneecaps. Not my kneecaps. To be honest, it's my tibial tuberosities, for those of you familiar with the anatomy of the tibia. Oh, the little knobby part right under your knee. It's kind of kind of hard right on the bottom of the canoe. Anyway, not too bad. I wonder, I'm back to the shallow area, so let me see if I can go from kneeling to sitting without turning around. Yes, okay. Whew. Not terrible. So, yeah, not too bad with the kneeling. Not too bad being back on my butt either. So the nice thing about these kneeling drops is that you can switch back and forth. I know there's a third kind, at least I've heard of a third kind, called a combi drop. It's in between the kneeling drop and the sitting drop. Not sure. I don't know. I think you'd have to paddle for a long time before you notice the difference. I do not notice a leaning forward posture at all here. As a matter of fact, I think it's a little more comfortable than just the flat seat. Maybe that's just me. I'm a big guy, so. I'm back in the kneeling position. And I'm kind of way back on the seat. Different paddle, of course. And then, I don't know. I guess I could do this. Maybe that. I like the way this feels, but I don't know, like from the paddling standpoint, it's like a good position, but it's kind of hard on my knees. I feel like there's a rock under my. I don't think so. Whew. Wait. I think it'd be a lot better with some kind of pads, cushions, something like that. Kind of curious how this camera angle looks. It's probably terrible because it probably maybe it would be better with GoPro Black with the image stabilization. Might be better. I thought this angle would be cool.